logically equivalency. Two compound proportion P and Q involving the same component are said to be logically equivalent if their true values are the same for each different combination of the true values of their component. We then write P logically equivalent to Q. That is, in the truth table, if P and Q have the same true values, then we will say that as logically equivalency. Some of the important logically equivalent proportion are as follows. Idempotent law. P or P equivalent to P. P and P equivalent to P. Law of double negation. Negation of negation P equivalent to P. Commutative law. P or Q equivalent to Q or P. P and Q equivalent to Q and P. Associative law. P or Q or R equivalent to P or Q or R. This is associative for R. Next one, associative for AND. P and Q and R equivalent to P and Q and R. Distributive law. P or Q and R equivalent to P or Q and P or R. This is distributive over R. P and Q or R equivalent to P and Q or P and R. Distributive over AND. De Morgan laws. Negation of P and Q equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Negation of P and Q equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Negation of P conditional Q equivalent to P and negation Q. Negation of P double implication or biconditional equivalent to P and negation Q. All the above result can be verified by constructing their respective truth table. These are certain important points, conditions that we should know to solve the problems. Converse, inverse and contrapositive of a conditional. Given a conditional P conditional Q, the conditional Q conditional P is called the converse of P conditional Q. The conditional negation P conditional negation Q is called the inverse of P conditional Q. The conditional negation Q conditional negation P is called the contrapositive of P conditional Q.